Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of ATTR 362. I wanted to go over a couple things with you guys throughout the week. If you look at your weekly schedule that is in both the syllabus and in the learning module, you can see that this week we're going to go over the disablement model, SMART goals, and patient-centered care on Tuesday. It's a little bit of a longer lesson, so I think part of that's probably going to go into Thursday. And then Thursday we're going to start like an introduction to what actually is modalities. Don't forget your elevator speech is due Thursday at 6 p.m. The information that we will cover in class on Tuesday, I bumped up to the beginning of class, so we will get through all the information by Tuesday that you need to know. You guys should have gotten a lot of the patient-centered care based on our conversation on Thursday, but we'll talk about the few disablement models, what they are, and how that works within patient-centered care. So that's this week, so keep that in mind, 6 p.m. deadline on Thursday. And I'm going to go over, we pulled up the template in class kind of to go through, but remember it has to be done in YouTube, record on your computer. Remember, keep it semi-professional. I don't need a video that's been super edited, but I don't just want to have you in the middle of your car trying to do this on the way to class. So I will be able to tell. So this has to be between 25 and 35 seconds, and you can see then on the bottom how we're going to grade that. We talked about the module assignment, and I wanted to give you guys an example. So we talked about the matrix and what that would look like. So here's an example of a matrix that was done for last year's. And so I am not going to show you an example of what all of these mean, because then you'll just be able to copy it or copy something pretty closely. But if you go through, you can see us work through the 9 stages. So it starts up here, as you can see my mouse, in the top left, at primary injury, to ultrastructural changes, chemical mediation, hemodynamic changes, and go from there. These 9 topics are the ones that we had within the assignment description, and you are required to use those. Then what you'll do is at the end of the matrix, so right for primary injury, you'll describe what occurs during a primary injury. And kind of go through the steps and teach me this. And remember, I said there's a whole bunch of different ways to go through this. Some students have, this one's kind of all over the place, a lot of sciencey pictures. One person took me through the 9 stages of healing through SpongeBob. Somebody took me last year through memes. Somebody took me through it in the office. So just whatever you like, kind of bring a little bit of yourself into this and pick a picture that describes it. So whatever you see that picture, I want you to kind of think of it for the test. If I asked you about permeability changes, what would you think about? And hopefully these pictures are a way to remember that. Nothing much else due for this week. Please remember to look over some of the course within Blackboard. Within the tab, what I did go through and I added where it was originally just additional readings, I changed it to additional resources because I found a couple cool videos that I wanted you guys to have the ability to watch. So if you get a chance, there's a really good video done by the Mayo Clinic or Cleveland Clinic on patient-centered care. So check that out. We're going to watch another one as we begin class on Tuesday. As of now, still plan for class up in SS 348. I need to still finalize some things with the university, but I think we all agreed that that was the best place for a class. So unless you hear from me otherwise on Monday, we're going to plan a class in SS 348. Please let me know if you have any questions. Remember, I said it again, but elevator speech due at 6 p.m. on Thursday. And reach out if you have any questions or concerns. I'll see you Tuesday.